Did you get one? Is it in the black?
Yeah.
Okay, do another one. That's in the on the blue line, right?
Terrible. Oh!
This is target practice. I drew a target on the patio door with dry erase markers. This is a Nerf gun that I got for Christmas.
Nothing.
No, you got it outside the target that time. That was closer. You gotta aim a little farther down. Oops.